Hello guys, here's a new tutorial on how to create a kill enemy quest with Unity and the low poly game kit. This is the starter scene, a very simple demo to get started with the game kit, and here is an enemy. The quest will be to kill the enemy, so first I have to find out how the enemy can be killed. One way is to do it with a cannon. I know this is a very drastic solution, but it works. So I drag a cannon prefab into the scene and rotate it so that it faces the enemy. And after that I add a cannonball, also from the folder prefabs. Okay, now let's test if this works, if we could kill the enemy with the cannon. I pick up the cannonball, it is directly added to the hand of the player, then I load the cannon and shoot. Okay, works, the enemy is killed. But now we have to set up the quest. The quest that is already set up to collect gems was given to the player by this red guy here. This is also a prefab that gives the quest to the player in a conversation. But now I want the player, for example, to open a crate, then the quest is given to him and he can accept the quest using the accept UI panel. The accept UI has to be shown when the crate is opened. So what we need for this is a different prefab. You find this here in the prefabs quest folder, and it is an empty object called questGiverEmpty. I drag this into the scene near the crate, but it could be located anywhere. Then I rename the object and call it questGiverCrate. Before I set up the new quest, I rename the existing one. It is called MyQuest. I rename it to FindQuest because it is the quest to find gems. And after that we can add a new quest, also from the quest prefabs folder, and I call it KillQuest. Like the other quest, the kill quest needs a name, rewards and tasks. And we will have one reward and one task. So let's see what we have as a reward. Something to eat is always great. For example, the player receives 3 chicken legs when he completes the quest. Alright, now we need a task, and there is a predefined kill enemy quest task in the prefabs folder that I drag now into the hierarchy, and we also have to define a name for this and which enemy has to be killed. It finds the NPC because it has a red guy script attached that is derived from the enemy class. You can see this here in Visual Studio, and this is also important when you want to create your own enemy implementation for a different character. But I will show this in a separate tutorial. Now let's continue configuring the kill quest. I add the kill quest task now to the kill quest. And then we have to add some values to the quest giver object. I select the quest giver crate, and we need to assign the quest, the player, and as I said, we want the quest to be accepted using an accept UI panel. And this can be selected here because it's a part of the HUD prefab that is already added to the scene. Okay, the very last thing that we have to do is to accept the quest or to open the accept UI panel when the crate is opened. The crate has an onCreate Unity event. So I bind this using this plus icon. And I will add the quest giver object to the slot that I can search here. Here it is, the quest giver crate, and this has 2 methods to accept quests. The first one is just accept, but we want to open an accept UI, and this is why we use the method open accept UI. Alright, now we can start. We configure the quest without coding. The player can open the crate now. Then the accept UI for the kill quest is opened and we accept the quest. Here you can see the current quest is now to kill an enemy, and the task is to kill the red bad guy. Then we pick up the cannonball and load the cannon, and we shoot. And the enemy is killed, and we are collecting 3 chicken legs as a reward. So you can see it's very simple to set up a quest. In the next part I will create a more elaborated one. The link to the asset can be found in the description below. Check it out, it's under heavy development, and if you have any questions or ideas for new features, add these to the comments. Thank you guys for watching, thanks for your support, and I see you on JNM.